Hi, Jenny.
Hey, Josh.
Good to see you again.
Nice seeing you as well.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So it's good to see you again. So very excited. And first off, I just want to talk about our company again, or on my company, and talk about the product and the benefits and all that stuff again. So as you told me, you've always wanted, what you've been looking for is something that gets rid of the pain fairly quick. And as you know, our product, relieves pain in 20 minutes or less. As you can see in this video here, the person taking it, one, it's also, like I said, it's also easy to take. They can chew it or swallow. It's fairly small, and it showed in the beginning when she's taking it, obviously she has a pain then, but as you fast forward, shows in about 17 minutes in, she says, she's starting to feel a lot better. She's starting to feel energized. That's just, just one of the demonstration videos that we have of someone taking our product. And then also, I have the product here with me today, is if you want to take a look at that. As you can see, the bottle is fairly small. It won't take a lot of space on the shelves or anything like that. Tablets aren't very big, about the size of a thumbnail or so. And also as well, you've talked about how you want something that's safe for your patients, for their health and multiple other reasons, because other products, like you mentioned, can help or can cause other issues throughout the body. And in our product, we're the first ones to make a product that does not have an effect on any other organs. And that's, I don't know if that's ever been done before, but made tremendous progress on that. And also too, like I've said before, you've had problems with patients paying too much money for their products, and as you know, with ours, it's fairly inexpensive. We're only selling it for about $25.99 a bottle, and insurance does cover most of that. And now I just have some questions for you, if you don't mind me asking.
Yeah, that's fine.
So what has stood out to you the most from our product?
Probably the fact that it is a tablet, and you're saying is shown in trials that it can actually relieve symptoms in 20 minutes, which that's not always the case with most of the over-the-counters. Yeah,
that's what we love most about our product, is how fast it kicks in. No one's ever heard of a product that fast, and so we're really excited about that, and we're really happy with the feedback that we have gotten so far. And do you believe our product has the benefits that can help benefit your patients?
Yeah, absolutely. From what you said so far, it seems like something that they would really enjoy and be happy with.
Yeah, that's really exciting to hear. And have you ever heard of another product that does not affect other organs like our product?
I mean, obviously that's always the goal with any product coming to market, but not many have actually been able to do that. And especially with some of the others like ibuprofens, those can affect your kidneys. So if it doesn't affect any organs, and that can be proven, that's really awesome to hear.
Yeah, that's another key feature of our product. Whereas other products, they have some minor problems like with the other organs and stuff like that. But ours, it just strictly focuses on the head. Right. Either migraine or headache, whatever it is, strictly just goes straight to that, wherever that pain is in your head, and just attacks those pain receptors. And what impact does a reliable headache migraine product that is easy to take have on your patients?
I mean, it's a huge impact, especially if they think that their only last options are injections or Botox injections, or that is something that's not easy for the patients to comprehend, and a lot of times they just deal with the pain then. So if there's something they can take a tablet and increase your quality of life, that's tremendous.
No, yeah, that's what we're looking for. That's what we're striving to do. We know the pain that you've gone through. I know from myself, dealing with those other medications can be a hassle at times. So, we want patients to be able to just take it as quick as possible, and not have to worry about the other side effects as well. Compared to other products, what do you see are the problems with the big companies, that make like Advil and ibuprofen, Excedrin, and so on?
Sometimes the fact that they've been taken for so long by patients, they build up a tolerance to them, so they no longer really provide a benefit. So in that sense, people stop buying them if they no longer have relief.
And does that happen quite often for patients to build up that tolerance and just kind of?
Well, if they take it all the time routinely, yes, that definitely happens.
Yeah, that's not very good for a product. You always want to help you out. What would be the patient's reaction be if the product allowed them to get back to their normal lives?
The response to it?
Yeah, if they can go about their daily lives, not having to worry about, I gotta take this injection or, just stuff like that. They can just go about their daily routines, without having those problems.
Just take a huge weight off of their shoulders. I mean, a lot of the people who are dealing with it, actually don't have jobs because of it, or they just feel like they can't carry out their daily activities, so that would be a huge impact to them in their lives. And I think they'd probably be more willing to recommend to others.
Yeah, that's what's so great about our product too, is that when they do take it, they get rid of the pain within 20 minutes, and then they feel much better, energized, and they feel that way for the rest of the day. They don't, that headache doesn't linger around with them, doesn't make their mind foggy, doesn't make them feel bad the rest of the day, where sometimes that's what happens, with a major migraine or headache. But with our product, really just attacks that pain and just wipes it out clean. And that's what, that's the main benefit of our product. And we're really excited for people to try it. And, do you have any other questions or concerns at this time?
So I guess one of them being with obviously people knowing more of those long-standing products, such as the Advils, Motrins, Aleve. You think that patients coming into the stores will be willing to try a newer product when they know more of the tried and trusted ones are out there?
Yeah, that's why we're going to be putting brochures out and pamphlets throughout all the stores as you walk in, right as you walk in and leave, and also out obviously by the pharmacy desk too. So that way, right there, so that way they can look over that and has all the statistics about a company, has what it's about, founded, all that stuff, how long we've been around for, and all the benefits, and then also concerns with the product they have. It goes over everything. We have everything in that pamphlet that they need. Any questions or concerns they have, they can look right in that pamphlet and it'll answer those questions. So with that, we believe that they will be able to
Feel confident in trying it.
Exactly.
And then another concern would be the fact that they probably never heard of your company before, and with so many drug recalls and things you'll hear in the news about things taking place or dangerous side effects. I guess how are you going to make sure that they feel comfortable with learning from a new company where they don't really know your manufacturing process or where you're based out of?
So yeah, that's why we're having advertisements out the last month, and even continuing this month, having ads in the magazines,
pharmacy newsletters.
Pharmacy newsletters. We are trying to work on a deal, get on a commercial here soon. That's the next big step. But right now we're just in the pamphlets, the magazines, stuff like that. Giving out free coupons for a free trial. So and that's in all the magazines too. So and we're really getting it out there
and providing information about your company and where it's located.
So we're providing all that information, and like I said, we just want the patients to try it, because we believe we have the best product for all patients dealing with headache, migraine issues. We believe that our product has the best benefit for them, and so that's why we want them to try it. And after I've shown you all the benefits and that our product can provide, really for our action, we believe it's the best product for you and the patients. Do you think we can begin to talk about pricing and how it can get into your store?
Yeah, I mean, definitely would like to move forward and give it a shot and see if it can't help people.
So my first thought here is that we get probably about 500 bottles into 5 stores, 100 bottles for each store. We'll charge $12,500 for those 500 bottles, and then you guys will sell them on the shelves for $25.99 a bottle.
Okay.
And like I said again, each bottle has about 30 tablets in each one, and they can either chew that or swallow too, and that's for all ages too.
Okay, that sounds like a pretty reasonable deal.
So you think we can go ahead and go forward with that then? Well, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
I appreciate the deal, and I'll look forward to talking to you with your buyers and distributors, and we'll get it on the shelves here soon.
All right, thank you for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you.